So this problem says describe how you can find the area of the shape below, shown. What is the area? So it's asking for the total area, really. So we have two different boxes. We have this box right here, and then we have this box right here. So we have two different boxes, and I'm going to use what I know about finding area for one rectangle. I'm just going to do it twice. Now they give me some extra information here that I don't necessarily need, and it might trick me later on. So I want to make sure that I don't get tricked. Now, since this side is 4, I know that this side is already 4, so I'm going to scratch this out. And I know that this side is 6, so and I know that this side is 6 as well. So I'm going to scratch that out as well. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a multiplication expression inside each rectangle to figure out the rectangle's area for each one. So I know that this rectangle, the smaller one right here, has a length of 4 and a width of 3. So I'm going to use 4 times 3. And I know that fact is 12. So it's going to be 12 squares. I'm going to circle that because that's my area. I don't want to forget that. Now this larger one is going to be similar. Okay, the length is going to be 6 and the width is going to be 3. So I'm going to take my width, 6, times my, my length times my width, which is 6 times 3, and that becomes 18 squares. Again, I'm going to circle that so I know that that's my area. So now I know that the area of this box is 12 and this one is 18, and I want to put those together to get my total area. Now I don't want to use multiplication because it's not equal groups, because 12 and 18 are not the same. So I'm going to set up an addition problem, and I have 12 plus 18. Okay, so I got 2 ones plus 8 ones. That's going to be 10. I'm going to That's 0 ones here, but then another 10 in this column, and it's tens column. And then I have 1 10 plus 2 tens plus 3 tens, 3 tens, that's 30. And I want to remember this is area squarea, so it's going to be 80 square, and we're talking about inches. So 30 square inches. I'll circle my answer, and I think I'm done.